Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and you all are staying home and you all are staying safe. So, as right now it's your maths lecture. So, we will be starting our lesson number 19, that is three dimensional figures. I hope you are known to this. I hope you know this concept, that what are these dimensional figures. In our basic language, we call it 3D pictures or we call it 3D objects और 3D images. हमने ये तो सुना है कि 3D images होते हैं, 3D objects होते हैं, बट ये 3D objects क्या होते हैं, what are they and what are the characteristics of it, we will be learning into this lesson. So first of all, before going ahead, we need to understand what are solids and what are three-dimensional objects. Okay, so as you can see this screen on the screen, objects having fixed shape and size and which occupies a fixed space are called as solids. अब solids क्या है, तो ऐसा कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जिसका एक फिक्स्ड शेप है, एक फिक्स्ड साइज है और जो एक स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करता है, उसे हम कहते हैं सॉलिड. नेक्स्ट, solid occurs in various geometrical shapes. They are known as three dimensional figures. मतलब ये जो solids है वो अलग अलग shapes में है, अलग अलग geometrical shapes में है. मतलब वो square में है, वो triangle में है, वो rectangle में है, अलग अलग geometrical shapes में है और उनको हम क्या कहते हैं, we call it three dimensional figures. That is, we call them 3D figures. Okay. Next, some three-dimensional figures are cuboid, cube, cylinder and cones. जो बेसिक थ्री डायमेंशनल फिगर्स है, जो हम हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में जिसको देखते आ रहे हैं, दोज आर क्यूबॉइड, क्यूब्स, सिलेंडर एंड कोन्स. Now we will be learning more about all these figures. For now, we will be just we are understanding what are these figures. Now we will discuss some three-dimensional figures having flat faces, namely cuboids, prism, pyramids and tetrahedron. Okay? Now as we have discussed about these shapes, that is tetrahedron, prism, pyramids, cubes, cuboids, we will be learning more about these shapes. Okay, so what we are going to learn is we are going to learn about the vertices, we are going to learn about faces and we are going to learn about the edges of this shape. So should we start with this? So I hope you all are ready with your books. We need your textbooks with you. Take out page number 213, lesson number 19, three-dimensional figures. Now I will be explaining you a few definitions regarding this. The first is faces. Now what is faces? Have you all seen a cube or have you all seen a cuboid? Before going to these definitions, we will be discussing few examples of this cuboid. You all have seen cube. You must have played board games. Everyone must have played board games. So for playing, we use dice. You must be knowing what is dice. सबने हमारे board games में dice देखा है. So dice is the best example of cube. So then we have ice cubes, जो हमारे freeze में होते हैं. Ice cubes, that is also the best example of cube. Then for cuboid, we have a notebook, we have duster, which we see in our day-to-day life. Then for cylinder, we have our gas cylinders, that is the best example. Then we have deodorant bottles, that is also cylindrical in shape. Then we have water bottles. Any object which have circular portion is called as cylinder. Then for cone, we have ice cream cone, that is the best example. Birthday caps, that is also the best example of cone. So these are the various examples of 3D objects. Okay, so now we will be discussing these few definitions. The first one is faces. Now what is faces? Each flat part of a solid is called its face. मतलब ऐसा फ्लैट पोर्शन, जस्ट इमेजिन आपके हाथ में एक क्यूब है, ओके एक आपके हाथ में आपके हाथ में क्यूब है, जैसे कि डाइस है आपके हाथ में. तो रिमेंबर डाइस का वो पोर्शन जिस पर नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फेस. मतलब ईच फ्लैट पार्ट, मतलब वो एक सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट है. सॉलिड हमने डिस्कस किया है, व्हाट इज सॉलिड. अ सॉलिड ऑब्जेक्ट फ्लैट पार्ट, मतलब जो फ्लैट पार्ट है उसे हम बोलेंगे फेसेस. अंडरस्टूड? यस. वर्टाइसेस. Each corner where three faces of a solid meet is called its vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. मतलब जहाँ पे थ्री फेसेस के एजेस मिलते हैं, मतलब कॉर्नर्स जहाँ पर मिलते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्टेक्स. यानी कॉर्नर कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट का, कोई भी क्यूब का, क्यूबॉइड का, जहाँ पर तीन फेसेस एक साथ इकट्ठे मीट होते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्टेक्स. और वर्टेक्स का प्लूरल है वर्टाइसेस. सो डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड इन वर्टेक्स एंड वर्टाइसेस. वर्टेक्स एंड वर्टाइसेस आर वन एंड द सेम थिंग. Next is edges. The two faces of a solid meet in a line is called an edge. जहाँ पे दो faces meet होते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं edges. The two faces of a solid meet in a line is called as edge. जहाँ पे दो faces of solid एक line में मिलते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Yes, we call it edges. Before going or before starting before going further, these three concepts are very important: faces, vertices and edges. So please be very clear with all these three definitions. I hope everything is clear to you by now and you have understood the difference and you have understood what are the shapes. So let's start with the explanation of cuboid. So what is cuboid? Cuboid is a solid shape bounded by 6 rectangular plane faces that is called as cuboid. मतलब एक ऐसा solid shape जिसके 6 rectangular से जो bounded है और उसके plane faces हैं, that is called as cuboid. And the examples of cuboid are a box, a matchbox, a book, a brick, a tile, etc. These all are in the shape of cuboid. You can see this picture of cuboid. So this is the basic shape of cuboid and we will be learning each and everything and each and every characteristic of this cuboid. So what now we are going to do is I'll be naming this and I'll be explaining you about the faces, vertices and edges of the cuboid. So I have made this cuboid and I'll be just naming it. So first of all, this is A, this is B, C, this is D, E, F, G, H. This is the naming of the cuboid. Now what we will be doing I'll be explaining you first the faces of cuboid. Now which are the faces of cuboid? Can you guess it from this figure? Exactly, you are correct. The first face of the cuboid is A, B, C and D. This one which is down is the first face of the cuboid. There is A, B, C, D is the first face. As I have discussed with you what are faces, what are vertices and what are the edges. So I hope you must have understood this is the first face of cuboid. Okay, the next is E, F, G, H. This one, the one which I am showing you. This is the second face. E, F, G, H. The next is A, D, H, E. Means this side, this side. This is the third one. A, D, H, E. Okay. Next is B, C, G, F. B, C, G, F. That means this side. This is the another face. that is B, C, G, F. Understood? Can you guess the next one? Correct. It's A, B, F, E. A, B, F, E. That means this side. This is the another one. A, B, F, E. Correct. And can you guess the last one? Yes. It's D, C, G, H. It's D, C, G, H. Understood? Yes, that means this side, this side. Okay, it is D, C, G and H. I hope faces are clear. Okay, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, D, H, E, B, C, G, F, A, B, F, E, D, C, G, H. Okay, yes. Now, how many faces are there? We have 6 faces of cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. Understood? Yes. Now we will be going towards the vertices. As we have discussed the vertices, that the point where 3 faces meet is called as vertices. So can you tell me where are the vertices, where are the faces meeting? Yes, the first vertex is A. Can you tell me which are the faces which are meeting here? This one, another one, this and this one. So A is the first vertex. Which is the next? Yes, B. B is the second. Next, C. Here also 3 faces are meeting. Then it's D. Where is D? This is D. Next is E. Here also 3 faces are meeting. Next is F. Here also 3 faces are meeting. Next G. And last is H. These are the points where 3 faces are meeting. I'll show you. This is one vertex, 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3 faces which are meeting at this point. So this is called as vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. So how many vertices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last is H1. So we have 8 vertices. We have 8 vertices of cuboid. Understood? Yes. The last one, edges. Now I have discussed edges also with you. Edges are the point where 2 faces meet. Now which are the points? I'll show you. AB. Okay. Then we have BC. Then we have CD. This is CD. This one. Then we have DA. Then we have EF. This one. Then we have FG. This one. Then we have GH. This one. Then we have HE. This one. Then we have AE. This one. Then we have DH. This one. Then we have BF. This one. And the last is CG. There is this one. We have discussed this also. So how many edges are there? We have total 12 edges. Okay. we have 12 edges to cuboid. Faces 6, vertices 8, and edges 12. Now we will be learning about cube. Now a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called as cube. Cube is what? It is same like cuboid. The only difference is the cube has all the sides equal, whereas cuboid doesn't have all the sides equal. That's the difference between cube and cuboid. Rest everything is same. Okay, so examples of cube are dice, sugar cubes, ice cubes, etc. These are the examples of cube. As you can see on the screen, this is how cube looks. Okay. Okay, now the next topic is cube. Okay, this is called as cube. Now this is cuboid and this is cube. Can you see these two pictures? Can you see these two images? Yes, they are same. Okay, but the basic geometrical shape for cuboid is rectangle and the basic geometrical shape for cube is square. That's the only difference. So whatever we have learned about the cuboid, that means we have learned about the faces, right? So faces for cuboid, as we have discussed it, they were A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, D, H, E, then B, C, G, F, A, B, F, E, and D, C, G, H. These are the faces. That means total 6 faces. Okay. So we will be writing it here. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now A, B, C, D. This is the first face. Then E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H. This is the second face. Then A, D, H, E. Now then this is the third face. Then B, C, G, F. B, C, G, F. This is the another face. A, B, F, E. A, B, F, E. This is the another face. Then D, C, G, H. D, C, G, H. Same as cuboid, we have same faces for cube as well. So we have 6 faces for cube. Understood? Yes. Next is vertices. Same goes with the vertices as well. We have 8 vertices, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, and H. These are the vertices. As I have discussed earlier, what are vertices? So A is the vertex, B, C, D, then E, F, G, and H. These are the vertices. So we have 8 vertices for cube. Understood? Yes. And the last is edges. Now how many edges are there? There are 12 edges, namely AB, BC, CD, DA, EF, FG, GH, HE, AE, DH, BF, and CG. This is AB, then we have BC, then we have CG, GF, FE, EA, DA, and HD. We have total 12 edges. We have 12 edges for cube. Now there is no difference in the faces, vertices, edges of cube and cuboid. This is cuboid and this is cube. The only difference is ये जो cuboid है ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है शेप में रेक्टेंगल का शेप है इसका, और इसका जो है वो है स्क्वायर का. बाकी देयर इज एवरीथिंग इज सिमिलर बिटवीन द क्यूबॉइड एंड बिटवीन क्यूबॉइड एंड स्क्वायर. So a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called as cube. मतलब एक cube means what? जिसके सारे साइड्स इक्वल है, जो लेंथ में भी इक्वल है, जिसके लेंथ ब्रेथ और हाइट सारी चीज़ें जिसकी इक्वल है, उसे हम कहते हैं क्यूब. वेरएज क्यूबॉइड में वो इक्वल नहीं होते. दैट्स द डिफरेंस. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्यूबॉइड एंड क्यूब. Okay, I hope you have understood the difference between cube and cuboid. You have understood what are faces, vertices and edges of cube and cuboid. Okay, so in next period we will be discussing about the pyramid, and we will be discussing about the prism. Okay, till then keep practicing and take a revision of cube and cuboid. Okay, bye, take care everyone.